Finding the right chair isn't always easy. So many details and products to choose and not enough time. We've been in the market since 1950. We're located in Porto, Portugal. Choose from 400 products available on our website. Use our search filters to find the ideal product. You can search by category, use, or even dimensions. Customize your product. Select the wood, type of finishing, the fabric, and extras. Want to use your own fabric? No problem. Send it and check the consumptions for each product and choose multiple fabrics for the same chair. Now specify the quantities to have your price. Add your choice to your budget, have an overview on the price, volume and total weight. Through our 3D configurator, you can visualize different combinations of fabric and wood. On our client area, you can apply a markup to your price. The decision has been made. Let's get started. We gather the right wood, place it on our specialized machine, and mix all the ingredients to get the perfect product. The customization process begins. Your color, your fabric, your chair. The package is identified with your label and is ready to be delivered to you. No destination is out of limits. We have the solution for you.